Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a screencast to kind of go with this. I'm going to be out again today. As you can tell, I'm sick. Hoping to be back tomorrow, Wednesday, but we'll see if this ever goes away. So you're going to be working on a PowerPoint about a play or a musical of your choosing. Okay, so you can choose a play or musical that you know. If you don't know any play or musicals, think about a story that you've read, maybe your favorite book, maybe your favorite movie, anything that you think, hey, this might make a really cool play or really cool musical. So some plays that are already out there are shows like The Outsiders, Mean Girls, Wedding Crashers is not out there, but come on, who doesn't? We all need a musical for Wedding Crashers. And Spider-Man. So again, choose your favorite thing. Don't overthink it. Just pick something that you like, that you enjoy, that is school appropriate. Okay. Once you've selected your show, you're going to create a PowerPoint presentation. So you have this PowerPoint presentation that's going to walk you through what goes on every slide, but you guys will be creating a new one. If you don't know how to do PowerPoint very well, there's a video here that's going to walk you through it. Now, a couple of things that you're only going to know if you've done this video is there's also some really cool websites that do videos that do things like this. So one of them I'm going to show you is Canva. So let's say you're like, dude, I don't want to do PowerPoint. I want to do Canva. Canva is a free website, has all kinds of amazing stuff in it. And so you can kind of play around in Canva. If you'd rather do a Canva project, that works for me. So really your two choices are Canva. You can do this on a PowerPoint if you're super into drawing, and only if you're a good drawer, not, hey, I'm going to draw stick figures. But there are large sheets of papers in my cabinet in my office, like the big white paper. You can use that and kind of fold it up and put this in there. So kind of three different ways, and we're going to know who watches the video. Okay, so on slide 1, you need to include your title of your show, your name, your class period, and a picture that represents it. You can Google it, plus there's some other sites on here that help you out. On slide 2, you're going to write a summary, okay? 5 to 7 sentences or less describing the play. So summarize like the story that you chose, all right? You want to entice the audience, like get them excited without actually giving it away. On slide number 3, you're now going to cast your show. Who are you going to pick? All right, so think outside the box, but you could Google these. You can, pick your favorite actor. Who is somebody who actually looks like that character? So for example, Johnny in The Outsiders might be Tom Cruise. If there was already a movie or something done on this, don't go find their pictures, and be like, oh, they're the same people. No. And then at the bottom of your slide, give me like 1 or 2 sentences. Why did you choose the actors that you chose? You don't have to cast the entire show. Just like, who are your main characters? Scene 4, we're going to play with some costume design, right? Present a costume piece from your show. One thing about costume design is also being able to find concepts. Like, I don't have an exact costume, but I know the colors that I want. I know the fabrics that I want. I know the styles that I would use. You can do that instead. So include pictures of those fabrics, the colors, the style. Slide 5 is the director's note. As the director, give me 3 to 5 sentences explaining why you chose the show. And try to be specific. Don't be like, oh, I chose the show because it was good. That's not specific. Okay? And then slide number 6. What type of company would advertise, right? So if I'm doing Mean Girls, on Wednesday they wear pink. So maybe you find a place that has a lot of pink clothing or something. I don't know. But think about who would advertise at this show and either create an advertisement for it or find an advertisement that will work. All right. So it's 6 slides total. When you finish, you're going to upload this presentation to Jupiter. If you have any problems uploading it, you can also share it with me. So on PowerPoint, there's a share button, and you can put share, copy link. just make sure it says anyone with the link can view it. Okay. So there you go. And that's another easy way to send it to me. We're going to be finishing this project when I get back, because even if I'm back on Wednesday, I don't expect to be 100%. So we'll see how we go. Be good for the sob. Remember, I expect you to be the best, so don't be annoying. And um, if you get stuck, do the slides you can, and we'll talk about them when I'm back, hopefully on Wednesday. Thank you guys. I'm sorry that I'm out, but I look forward to getting back. See you guys soon. Bye.